What's your take sa sinabi ni Atty. Zalaika Lopez na prepare for Typhoon Inday? Do you think meron yung kinalaman sa next week na pagharap niya sa impeachment trial or si Atty. Zalaika Lopez?
Meron ng double meaning yung ganyang salita, no? Totoo naman na merong Typhoon Inday. Now, kahapon ay nakita natin yung matinding pag-ulan, pagbaha dito sa NCR. So, literally, tama yun, prepare for Typhoon Inday. Pero pwede rin natin ma-interpret in another manner. It has to do with the impeachment. Meron na naman bang kababalaghan, pinaplano yung kabila, yung kampo ni VP Sara para makadiskarel, makadelay dito sa impeachment trial just because her chief of staff was subpoenaed. Bakit ganyan na naman? Di ba yung she was really in defense of her chief of staff, yung nandun nga siya noon, kaya nga nakapag-hold siya ng live stream. Kahit bawal sa regulasyon ng House, yung mga sa House security, na meron dapat bisita, meron dapat bawal yung nag-stay ka doon sa place of detention, magdamag. Diba? That was a violation. Now ngayon, nasabina yung kanyang chief of staff, and then what is that all about na naman yung ganyang pananalita? Prepare for Inday Typhoon Inday. So double meaning po yun. We just hope that she's just referring to the first meaning, the first literal meaning of that statement.